Good evening and welcome to this unboxing video. It's maybe not traditional one, but I went over to a RC swap meet today. Basically ended up buying some new stuff. Went over to Semi Joe's RC truck stop. Met a lot of nice people and of course ended up buying some new parts. So first of all, this box from Hydraulic Hobbies, it's a really nice set of rims, like the copy of American rims for one of my US trucks. Not sure which truck I will be putting these on right of now, but they were just so nice. I felt like buying them. So, quickly just show you this. This is front rim. Hopefully you can see it in focus. I think it's going to look really good on a US truck. Let's see if we can get some focus on it. Really nice details. Aluminum, of course. And they come with bearings installed, which is a really good thing. So let me just quickly put on a tire. This is the long haul from RC 4-wheel drive, just to give you a better idea on how it will look. Really nice fit, of course. This is with a front hub installed. I think they look really nice. Maybe it's not too easy to see with the light the way it is, but it's a really nice rim. Of course, we need to have a look at one of the rear sets. So it's the same here. It's a really nice setup because it's not that many parts. Here, I guess. Yeah, it's actually not. You actually don't screw it on. It's the cap. It has an O-ring that makes it fit. So super easy. Not too many parts, but it's looking real good. And also the finish, it's really nice. Of course you can polish these to get a really nice finish. So yeah, I think you can hopefully they are in focus. It's not so easy to see on the small screen. Just 3 parts like this. Super easy, I like it. So come in this nice box with cutout for the wheels. And of course about a million small pieces. Not sure if you can see here, but it's so many small lug nuts. It's going to look really good. The nice thing is that they have supplied a tool for installing we don't have to guess what to use and to find something that might not really fit and mess up your nuts. Really happy about getting this set of wheels today. So here we can have another look at the set in the box, and to be continued on which truck I'm going to put these on.